I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You must own or be an editor of the Firebase project and be signed into the Google account tied to it. Once done, open the Firebase console and choose the correct project. Next, go to Project Settings immediately. Don't detour. Make sure Cloud Messaging is visible as a tab. If not, enable APIs in Google Cloud Console. These first steps put you directly into the interface, where the server key is exposed for the next actions. You now navigate the Cloud Messaging tab in Project Settings to find credentials. Once there, locate the Legacy Server Key section. Google moved keys behind the Firebase settings, but it remains accessible here. Copy the server key or click the copy icon. Make sure you store it in a secure vault or environment variable. If your project uses OAuth or newer FCM v1, note this key is the legacy option. However, many server integrations still require this exact string, so keep it available for your backend. Finish by adding the server key to your server authorization header, as key equals your server KEY when sending legacy FCM requests. Once integrated, test with a single device token to confirm delivery. If the key is compromised, rotate it immediately by regenerating in Project Settings and update your servers. If you cannot find the key, make sure your account has owner or editor IAM roles and that Cloud Messaging API is enabled in Google Cloud Console.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.